Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sequoia here, and this video is about the Slim PM review. Okay, that's why you're here. You're here for a Slim PM review, which will actually go ahead and tell you a bit more about what others are saying they've actually received from going ahead and taking advantage of Total Life Changes Slim PM. Okay, so here, what I have here is I actually have pulled up on the screen some results that someone's actually received from using Slim PM. And I just want to go ahead and actually start over here just so you can see the power of this. You see that on 8/11 that night, this individual weighed 139 pounds. And then when they woke up the next morning, 8:12 a.m., they actually went ahead and weighed 137.5. So that's basically approximately 2 pounds that they lost while sleeping. Okay, this is actually the thing about Slim PM. The thing about Slim PM is that this is a unique way. Okay, we call it Slim PM because you can burn fat while you sleep. So it's the first complete fat burning L-arginine in the known universe. Okay, there's many other products on the market that claim to yield the same kinds of results as Slim PM, in which you can lose weight while you sleep. Well, here's the great differentiation. All right, with Slim PM, it actually has that fat burning component of the L-arginine, which you will not find on the market when it comes out of the products. In addition to the fact, with Slim PM, it does come in the form of a powder. All right, so you can make shakes and things on those lines. If you're familiar with the importance of drinking a liquid as opposed to taking a pill, the thing is that the cell absorption rate is extremely higher when you're drinking a liquid as opposed to when you actually take something in pill form. A lot of other products on the market do in fact come in the form of a pill, in which they actually yield a low cell absorption rate, meaning that you're not benefiting totally from what the product is intended to go ahead and do. All right, so that's the great differentiation, in addition to the ingredient that I mentioned to you. All right, and even as you see here on the left hand side, this is someone, obviously they started actually taking it, and then within a few days they were down 7 pounds. All right, imagine that within a few days they were down 7 pounds. Okay, so this review on Slim PM by Total Life Changes is basically just to go ahead and tell you, yes, it does work. We have countless testimonials of people who are losing 2 pounds and above each night when they go to sleep. Okay, so my suggestion would be, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and click that link below. Okay, because here's the deal. Presently, you do in fact have to be a part of the company to take advantage of Slim PM. All right, so certainly go ahead and partner up with me. Click that link below to do so. You'll go ahead and receive your shipment of your Slim PM, and you too will be able to begin losing weight while you sleep. This is Sequoia J. Tarver. I'm signing off. Also make sure to go ahead and click the link to go ahead and connect with me on Facebook. All right, I'll have that link below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and even subscribe to my YouTube channel.